This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 1st of August. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather will feature noticeably lower heat levels over the weekend and through much of next week. Temperatures go well below average for August, and we'll certainly take that this time of the year. We'll start with the upper air look, and that old pesky ridge is slowly weakening as the higher heights shift off to the west. Early this morning, there's the radar composite. Things are quiet across the state. And again today, like every day this week, we'll see showers and storms this afternoon in scattered spots. We're in the 70s to start today. Highs in the low 90s in most spots. That's average for this time of the year. And again, there are a few heat advisories in effect across the Deep South, but this will be the last day we'll see that for a while. And around the nation, pretty quiet. Got a few flash flood watches for parts of New Mexico, Montana, and Washington State. Got a risk of severe storms today for parts of the western high plains. Also a marginal risk to the east of here, parts of Georgia and the Carolinas. Tomorrow, again, a risk of severe storms over the western Great Plains. A little marginal risk into southeast Alabama and South Georgia. And then on day 3, which is Sunday, a level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk from near Lubbock, Texas, up into parts of the western high plains. Rain for the next 7 days. Numbers are coming up. Understand, as the heat levels come down, the coverage of showers and storms will be going up as the ridge weakens. In fact, where you see the yellow on that map, this is suggesting maybe some 4-inch rain totals over the next 7 days for parts of east and southeast Alabama. Most of the state in the 1 to 3-inch range, about 1 inch up in the shoals. And here we go, 1st of August. We are now into the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season. August, September, early October. And again, it's remarkably calm. We've had 3 very minor, weak, junk tropical storms this year, and that's it. And again, no sign of any tropical storms or hurricanes, at least for the next 7 days. So model fans, here we go. GFS, 06C run, 4 o'clock today. Again, the heights are clearly down today. And again, we'll see low 90s, which is where we should be for this time of the year. And again, the scattered showers and storms around. And like every day this week, the heavier ones will produce gusty winds, a big downpour, a lot of lightning. That's the high-resolution HRRR valid this evening at 6 o'clock. Again, low 90s today. Tomorrow, the northern half of the state should stay under 90 with upper 80s. A mix of sun and clouds with scattered showers and storms, most active noon to midnight. That's the high-res HRRR tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. And Sunday, low 80s for the northern half of the state, mid to upper 80s in South Alabama, with scattered to numerous showers and storms. And understand, it's not going to rain all day and not necessarily raining everywhere. But we'll see a number of showers and storms about. These are the temperature anomalies on Sunday. Green and blue, way below average. This is Monday. And there's actually a chance parts of North Alabama could stay in the mid to upper 70s all day. We'll be very close to record low maximum temperatures for early August. How about that? And again, a number of showers and thunderstorms around. This is Tuesday. Again, upper 70s, low 80s. Number of showers and storms about. Wednesday will probably stay in the 80s. And quite frankly, the same thing on Thursday. And a week from today, this is Friday, August 8th. Higher heights off to the west. And again, we'll see scattered showers and storms. A mix of sun and clouds. Highs around 90, which is still below average. Let's keep going. This is 10 days out. This is Sunday, August the 10th. Got a flat ridge, and again, same thing. Highs, low 90s, scattered showers and storms. Pretty standard for August there. Rain for the next 15 days coming off the European Ensemble AI version. The mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 16th of August. And check this out. This just doesn't look like the Deep South in August. 92 today, 88 tomorrow, 82 Sunday, 79 for a high on Monday. Early August in Alabama. I mean, we ought to have a party for that. And then even through all of next week, highs stay under 90, and then finally we see low 90s by the weekend of the 9th and the 10th. Latest long-range guidance, August 8th through the 14th. And again, above average, but there's no evidence of any just nasty, big-time, unusually hot runaway heat here. So yesterday, more strong summer storms. And, of course, out ahead of almost every strong summer storm, you will see a shelf cloud. Of course, this has absolutely nothing to do with tornadoes or wall clouds. We don't do tornadoes here in the summer. The wind profiles don't allow that unless there's a tropical system involved, and of course there's not. Look at the dog there in the driveway. That dog's checking at that shelf cloud. Hey, look at the shelf cloud here. And of course, underneath those heavier storms, a lot of rain and a lot of lightning. That was taken up at Hayden in Blount County yesterday. And of course, with all the summer storms, you'll wind up with CLCs, creepy-looking clouds. That was in Jasper yesterday, and we all know that is a scud cloud. No rotation, no debris, nothing to that, just a CLC. And after the storms again, rainbows aplenty. I would suggest I've seen more really good-looking rainbows this summer than I've seen in a while. Very vibrant and colorful. And the sunset was good. All these were captured on the Gulf Coast last night. And again, what's amazing, school's about to start here. I mean, before you know it, college football season is going to be here. Footballs will be flying. So a lot of folks were on the Gulf Coast late yesterday, last night, taking these great sunset images. It was Panama City Beach last night, looking good. Hey, we're going to be in Madison tomorrow. Madison, Chick-fil-A, Clift Farms. We'll be there from 10:30 until 1:30. And if you've never been to one of these, you need to come. We'll have, all the cool weather shirts, our children's books, our book, All You Can Do Is Pray. That's about April 27th, 2011. Weathering Life, which is my story. And we take a lot of pictures. We have a lot of fun. So right there on US 72, Cliff Farms, Chick-fil-A, tomorrow from 10:30 until 1:30. And again, this week we are doing one of these videos per day. If you're new here, we typically do two a day, once in the morning about 5:15, once in the afternoon about 2:45. But again, this is a vacation week for me. This week I'm prepping with the rest of the team the new Alabama Weather Network, the 24/7 Weather Network, which begins August 11th. And I'll still be with ABC 3340. I'm the chief meteorologist. I'll be on the air every day at 5 and 6 o'clock. But again, the new network begins Monday, August 11th. That's a week from this Monday at 12 noon. We'll have a special live program going on there for a little bit to talk about things. But we're going to take care of every county, every single county in the state, every community. Doesn't matter where you live. If you live in the middle of nowhere, if you live in the middle of the biggest city, you'll be taken care of with resources and people that will be just second to none. So be looking for that. It's been a good week of preps. It's been good. I'm very excited about this. So again, Monday, August 11th at 12 noon. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see many of you in Madison tomorrow. Have a great Friday, a great weekend, and God bless.